Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is Azizullah Jamali from Sindhu University Larkana campus. So I am from BBA 2K20 bench. So I will discuss my given topic ICT, which is supervised by Sir Farhan Surayo. So I will discuss these my given topic step by step. I hope you will all get. So first of all, my given topic is individual computer. So with the start, so I want to share that what is individual computer. So individual computer is for the one user, a person who use a computer. It's in easily word that it is the individual computer. So we have also other individual computer. I will discuss these individual computers. So individual computers are desktop computer, workstation computer, notebook computer, tablet computer, handheld computer. So these all are individual computers of only single person, individual person, one person can use these computers, these type of the computers. So first of all, I will discuss the desktop computer. A desktop computer is a computer that fit on or under a desk. It has a monitor, another display, keyboard, mouse. So if we see that desktop computer is a very popular computer, it's mostly used in the homes and schools. So it stays only one locations. So it's as I said that it's a very popular computer. It's mostly in big majority people use this computer. It people put it in the desk because it suits desk. That's why we call it desktop computer. Workstation computer. A workstation computer refer to an individual computer or group of computers used by a single user to perform work. So workstation computer, we see that workstation computer is also popular, but it's mostly used in the business fields and in the officials, professionals fields. So it can't use in the schools and homes. But we mostly see these type of the laptops used in the big offices, professional offices, and for the for the business. But these laptops have big graphics and designs and good for the designs. Tablet computer resemble phones in some ways and can also be used to take photo, make phone calls, and send messages, record videos, and perform another task that can be performed by a smartphone as well. So this is the, we can say that this is the smartphone. Many person use the smartphones. They have experience that what is the smartphone. But in easy words, that smartphone is for the, if we talk about the tablet, the tablet is good for the videos and good for the games. So it's also include the businesses and professional works. Notebook computer. Notebook computer is a battery or AC powered personal computer, generally smaller than briefcase, that can easily be transported and conveniently used in temporary space, such as on airplane, in libraries, temporary office, and at meetings. So notebook computer, it will look like the laptop, but it's different to the laptop. This laptop feature have different features than laptop. It have is official sales for the battery, and it's mostly is referred that mentioned that it's mostly used in airplanes, in libraries, temporary office, and at meetings. Handheld computer. A handheld computer is a portable computer that is small enough to be held in one's hand. Also extremely convenient to carry. Handheld computer have not placed notebook computer because of their small keyboards and screens. So handheld computer, if we see in picture, the handheld computer have the connected keyboard like the like the laptop, but it's mostly used for the games. And it's look as we see that its screen is like a small, its screen is small, so it's mostly used for the games. So my second topic is printer, so I will discuss this topic. So printer printer is an output device that produces text and graphic on paper. So it produces graphics and text on the paper. For example, that I have written the something text on the laptop, but I want it in a hard copy. So it will it is only the printer give a hard copy of the picture of the text. So it is in easily way words that it is the printer give output. So the printer have two main groups: impact printer produce impact printer, non-impact printer. Impact printer produce text and image when tiny wire points in print head strike the ink ribbon by physically contacting the paper. So it produce it create the text and image through the striking the ink ribbon. So non-impact printer produce text and graphic on paper without actually striking the paper. So it's also also produce the text and graphics on the paper, but without the striking the paper. Type of impact printer: there are three type of impact printer: dot matrix printer, drum printer, decimal printer. So I will discuss matrix printer, a type of printer that produce character and illustration by striking pens against an ink ribbon to print closely spaced dots in the appropriate shape. So it's impact printer type. So it produce the produce produce text and graphics on the paper by dots. So it is the dot matrix printer. Drum printer, an all-line printer technology that use formed character image around a cylindrical drum as it is printing mechanism. So it is look like the drum, but it had mentioned that it used formed character image around cylindrical drum as its printing mechanism. So it's impact printer. It's also produce immense through the striking. Daisy wheel printer. A daisy wheel printer is basically an impact printer consisting of the wheel and attached extension on which molded metal characters are mounted. So it's look like the wheel, but it's basically impact printer. So a wheel and attached extension on which molded metal characters are mounted. So it's its prints also is the popular, and it's very popular in the field of the business. Non-impact printer have two topics: laser printer and jet printer. So laser printer, laser and jet printer. So it's we can say that it's laser printer, but it produce text and graphics in high quality. Laser printer are often used for corporate, schools, and other environments that require print jobs to be completed equally and in large quantities. So it's mostly used for the schools and jobs. It's common in the for the study and for the jobs. An inkjet printer. Inkjet printer are machines that spray microscopic droplets of ink onto paper. Inkjet printer are generally cheaper, smaller. So inkjet printer is smaller if we see in pictures. So it's for it's for a person can get it for the home, and it's the small printer. So it mostly used in the small offices. Now I will discuss the my third topic is keyboard and mouse. Keyboard. A keyboard is defined as the set of keys that enables to you enter data into a computer or other device. So ये जो कीबोर्ड है, कीबोर्ड के थ्रू हम कुछ भी लिख सकते हैं और टाइप कर सकते हैं इजीली. सो ये हम इसे कहते हैं कि ये इनपुट डिवाइस है. सो इधर हम जो भी टाइप करेंगे और इसमें जो भी लिखेंगे सो ये कंप्यूटर में लिखेगा. सो इसके जो इसके टाइप्स बहुत हैं, लेकिन इसके लेटर्स के भी टाइप हैं. कि easily say we can say that it have ABC types letters and numbers, and also have the for the operate it. But a laptop can only we can operate laptop through without the mouse. We have if we have the way to the operate computer without using of the mouse. Invention of modern computer keyboard. The invention of the modern computer keyboard was born out of the invention of the typewriter. It was Christopher Latham Scholl who patented the typewriters in 1868. सो जो ये मॉडर्न लैपटॉप कीबोर्ड जो हैं ये 1868 में ये जो पेटेंट किए गए थे. बट ये बहुत ही लाजमी थे इसलिए फॉर द टाइपराइटर. सो नाउ it's good for the typing. So mostly it's a person's learn how to type. So this is in this keyboards a person easily can type, and he can also learn the way how to operate the computer without using the mouse. So mouse is also big affected for the use, but if we have keyboard and we have learned that how to use the computer without the mouse, then we can easily use the computer. Type of keyboard. There are 4 major keyboard layout being word, wide, QWERTY, agility, QWERTYs and Haskell's. So ये जो है तीन पिक्चर मेंशन हैं. So there is few difference that these keyboards in the computer and the other laptops and mobiles. So there are different types but looking same. Some keyboards have more space and more letters, but some have short letters. If we say that mobile have short letters, short space as compared to the computer and laptop. But there is 4 type of the keyboard. How keyboard works. keyboard computer keyboard include control security to convert key press into keyboards, usually scan codes. सो ये जो है इसके इसके नीचे बटनों के नीचे एक एक सिक्योरिटी होती है, एक सिस्टम होता है। जब भी हम किसी बटन को प्रेस करते हैं तो वो वर्क करता है, और जो उसे इजीली वर्क करता है, उसे पता चल जाता है कि वी हैव प्रेस्ड द बटन। सो देयर इज अंडर द buttons have the server that works, that if we press the button, that it will be work, it will give the output. So mouse is pointing input device of computer. Mouse help to control cursor that is visible on the computer screen while moving the mouse on flat surface plus. So first of all, that mouse name is taken from the mouse because it look like the mouse. So it works for the computer easily. It help to the people easily, that if we have anything visible in the laptop or computer, we can click and we can open it easily through the help of the mouse. Mechanical mouse. A mechanical mouse is computer mouse that contains a metal or rubber ball on its underside. When the ball is rolled in any direction, sensors inside the mouse detect the motion and move the on-screen mouse pointer accordingly. So this mechanical mouse have the ball under the side. So if we it works through this mechanical mouse work through the particular ball. If we click the ball, then it will be work. It have different way to use, but it's only work through the rubber ball. So optical mouse is a computer pointing device that uses a light emitting diode LED, optoelectronic sensor and digital signal processor to detect change in reflected light from image to image. So it's the different to the mechanical mouse. So it used without connecting wire the laptop or computer. It's have like the Wi-Fi connections, and it's to connect to the Wi-Fi, and we can easily use this mouse as compared to the mechanical mouse. How does mouse works? When you move a mechanical mouse, the bar rolls beneath it, pushing the two plastic wheels rolls linked to it in the process. So it works through the buttons. If we click the buttons, it will be works. It have the specific way that work for the work. If we double click and click, so it will be work easily. So this was my topic, so I have explained. I hope it will be good. Thank you very much.